We just got another dumping of snow last night, about 20 centimeters. And got all the driveway done here after recharging the batteries twice. And I do have the electric snow Joe out for when the batteries are charging and I can clean up some loose stuff. But now I've got this to take care of. Got one cut through this, pretty deep as you can see. See how many bars I used. Okay, no, she's still up on 5 bars, which is great. So now let's get at the rest of it. I've got 3 cuts at the end of the driveway. Now let's check the battery situation. 5 and 5. Well, that's good. I'll probably get this done on, I don't think I'll do it on one set of batteries. It'll probably be 2. But let's see what happens. Seems to be a couple of ice chunks in there. And that seems to be a wrap for the end of the driveway. In 2 ways. The batteries just ran out and I got it done. Now there's some, you know, cleanup with scoop, that sort of stuff, but the last bit of blowing, she did. Now I'll just walk her back to the garage. You remember that big pot of snow at the end of the driveway? It's no longer there. So in the ultimate battle of Kress versus the end of the driveway, Kress wins. Anyway folks, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.